By default, on Android, when you receive a notification, this is how it looks like. You're going to see the name of the person who sent you the message alongside the text message itself. So if you don't want to show your notification at lock screen, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So if you want to hide your notification for security reasons, this is how you do that. When you go to your settings, you scroll down and click on privacy. You're going to see a section that says lock screen. Click on it. By default, it says show all notification. If you want it to display like this, you have to select the middle one. So when someone sends you a message, you're going to see that you have a message, but you need to unlock your device to see the message. So to do this, you have to select the second one, which is hide sensitive notification content. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.